Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change email address on Google Analytics. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now what you need to do is go and log into your profile. But guys, if you already have one, you can always go, and if you don't have one, you can always go and register. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen, reports, explore, and advertising. And also in the bottom left corner, we have the admin panel. But guys, now let's see how actually you can go and change email address on Google Analytics. So the first thing that you need to do is go and click on the bottom left corner and click on the admin settings that we mentioned just a few seconds ago. Click on there. Then click users in the admin panel of your analytics account. After going to the users, then guys click the button to add a new user and type in another email address. So that's basically how you can go and change it by typing in your user and putting the email of that user into there. Select whether this will be an user or an administrator. So basically you have to make the difference of those. Will it be a user or an administrator? This email account will receive an invitation to the analytics profile, which the user can click to accept. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, guys, I hope you like it. And that's guys that. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.